Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use a general ledger. We'll start by understanding its fundamental role as the core of your accounting system. Think of it as the master book where every financial event, from a small purchase to a large sale, is meticulously recorded. This comprehensive record is crucial for maintaining accurate financial statements and gaining clear insights into your business's economic health. It's the foundation upon which all other financial reports are built. Next, let's dive into the types of accounts you'll find and how transactions are recorded. Every financial event impacts at least two accounts, ensuring the accounting equation remains balanced. For instance, when you make a sale, both your cash and revenue accounts are affected. Understanding debits and credits is key. Debits are on the left, credits on the right, and they must always equal each other for every entry. This system provides a robust framework for tracking your financial movements. Now let's talk about posting transactions. After a transaction occurs, it's first recorded in a specialized journal, like a sales journal or cash receipts journal. This initial recording captures all the details. Then these entries are systematically transferred or posted to the individual accounts within the general ledger. This process ensures that each account, such as cash or accounts payable, accurately reflects its current balance based on all recorded activities. It's a critical step for maintaining up-to-date financial records. Finally, we arrive at balancing and reporting. Once all transactions are posted, you'll calculate the ending balance for each general ledger account. These balances are then compiled into a trial balance, a crucial step to verify that total debits equal total credits, confirming the accuracy of your entries. This balanced trial balance is the direct input for generating your primary financial statements, offering a clear picture of your company's financial performance and position. It's how you transform raw data into actionable insights.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.